Yep. Get you. I don't even do a live now, man, you know. Phone on that dead. Them shadow bandits. No surprise there, shadow band. Them ease me up. Alright, people, me have something a quick explanation. So I say, okay. I have been me I go do a live, you know, but me just have to say this to the people them where are coming right now, you see me? There is always consequences to your actions in earth. Just like Marcus Garvey, just like Junior. Fuck this. Just like Martin Luther King Jr., just like Malcolm X, just like the whole of them. You see what I say? You see this system, it no matter which one of the system them you think it is. Jamaica system, this your system. Me show you a thing, people. The world is run by a couple people. Well, you see social media, are one of them strong point them where them can hold you down and tell you what to do, bro. You see me I say? I'm not going to tell you no another thing. You see, all of the live them what I do from what day, I want to notice that the whole of them get cancelled. All of the live them take them down. All of the information them, but me not have a problem. Say them want to do that. You understand me I did? I really don't. But me just want to say one thing to social media. You can have video with people a force with it take it, a bully with it take it, a kick we up for take it, a stab we up for take it. But as you have one thing where you want to say, yo, John, I don't know now. Why with the vaccine? I want to see some people take it first before me take it. You mean to say freedom of speech are just fool alone, dog? Bro, I mean, if you not force people to take a thing in a bro, God, you not force people to take it. Kick them up to take it. If they right, they say as you wake up a morning time, my God. As he dead there, so you see one more, I want to see him self-educated, bumble memory chip, will read book, and attain memory and sound brighter than people. Bad man, watch you now. So if all of the one them will wanna force people, articles come out and you go so boom, and you say, yo, the article you come out about it, you know. You social media, I go report it as false information. When a FDA put it out. You understand me I say? So somebody tell me if you really wonder who are the real terrorists them boy. You see me I deal with? Because some of the government officials say we are terrorists. Oh, we are terrorists when time we don't want to explain what we put in a people's body. You see me? If people talk about it, you know, kick them up and put them in a jail. And the first me ever see this medical treatment, bro. Me never see this yet, not even when AIDS a kill trillions of people. Me see AIDS a kill trillions of people. Me never saw no beat and kick up nobody if you go take AIDS medicine. But people want to know, why not the AIDS medicine? You tell them why not AIDS medicine, you tell them why not Viagra, you tell them why not everything. But this a time you know, only say you have one vaccine, my G. Watch it pre now. Remember you know, when me did I watch it you know, FDA say you know, them kill more than what them help. Because them vaccine are testing. So you tell me say FDA put out that. Remember I link in my bio you know. I don't ask FDA. Me watch it over and over. And one time I come to a conclusion about the vaccine. You don't want to share that with the world? Oh, that's a false information when the FDA put it out. It gone over 1 million views. Them turn off the comments, bro. You see me I deal with? So what you mean to tell me? Say, why you turn off the comments? Why then? If you put out information like that and me share it, why a false information? Why a false information all of a sudden? Remember, it is on YouTube with over 1 million views where they're giving updates on the vaccine and telling you what is going on? Boom. Them say in Israel, the first country for you take it and a give to everybody. Right? They have the highest cases of corona. Because why? They said the coronavirus, the vaccine does not prevent you from getting corona. It simply subside some of the side effects to not hospitalize you. Hence, it's not saying that you're not gonna get corona, you know. Them say you're gonna get corona, but it might just not kill you. Remember, they did not say it now gonna kill you, you know. Them say it might not kill you. You might not have side effect. You might. So one time you put out the same information that these people put out, you know, you have burger than film friend them. Because you have people target for them people, you know. Some of the workless idiot, fool, bumbuckler Jamaicans that don't like read. Me them say if you want to read, if you want to hide nothing from a Jamaican, you put it in a one fucking book. You see what I say? Put it in a one book. You see when you put it in a one book, at that time you go last them. Remember now, all of the things them were enough Jamaicans that ask and said they don't know about it, they. But we not do no research. If we say we want to know what going on our body, we have to do research. What the research? When the research, what go on. Everybody say, we can't put something in our body where we don't know. Good. Go and do your research about it. A lot of you Jamaicans forcing it on people. You understand me? And on yourself don't even know what the fuck is in it. Because you never do no research. Uno just a tech telling, just like on normally if you do. Remember, you know, some of you claim to be educated people. This is what you guys call education. Spitting out what another man wrote in a book and tell you. Sure, they say, you have a good memory chip. You're good to remember everything with them pussy I say. You see me? You is just one of them outlet they with them create. You see me I deal with? Somehow not force it on people and you don't even take it for yourself. You understand me? Do the research them first. Why people can't do a research? Why people can't do that? I put the link in my bio, my son. Go and read. Go and listen to this. They'll even make you read. This is the meeting. The real meeting with the people them want to make the sitting for put in a phone nobody. You see what I'm saying? Remember now, you know, a whole heap of people don't get the understanding of this vaccine. Everybody a vaccine and run it down. Nobody no read about the side effects. Nobody no read about if you have high blood pressure, what it will do to you. If you have sugar, what it will do to you. There's a lot of people don't even know these causes. If you're overweight, what it will do to you. If you have certain ailment in your life already, what it will do to you. Remember, you know, no phone don't do no research. And you, the Jamaican government, you don't even give these people the answers what they want. The only thing what you give them is a fucking vaccine. Tell them what is in this vaccine. No. Make me just go get some fucking idiot celebrity who wanna think on a rate. Enough of them wanna jam up. We didn't even rate them. We not go get some wanna see them look a idiot influencer them. If you come bully people before you bully the blood clot remedy. And that enough you bully. We don't need to bully people and tell people say, yo, and this is not the vaccine and this and this. I mean, I hear nobody come with the facts. I'm going to hear people come with whip. You see me? I force people to live the way how you, if you not do that, you can't do this. Come on, man. No, you not have something named non-vaxxers. You not live for segregate. You not live for segregate. Every day of your life, I want to think this. You not say white people racist. You not racist the blood clot most. You understand what I deal with? Because a segregation come the rule and run go. Some of you glad so on brown. So you can segregate from the black set. Because we not black like you. Some of you going to get a better blood clot dealings in the earth. From when you hear segregation and not ready for. Are you vaccinated? I don't talk to non-vaxxers. But I'm telling you this. There's no such thing as vaxxed, vaxxers, vax this, vax that. The time when I bully people for do what I feel like for do. If you say this, you have the right to not do. But you not do it so atrocious. You know how much expect the people are going to question on daddy? Eh? If we never see some look a loophole in our fuckery, we don't think people would honorary. Look on the Pfizer. Them say Pfizer the worst one. It do not help anybody. Remember, you know, these are all informations that's out there. These are information that's out there on YouTube. Them your information are on YouTube. But at the end of the day, you know, me just still understand and want to know why. If this is so good for all of us, why not bully we and why not beat we and why not force we and why not do that? Why not delete all of the video them? Why not do all of that? You feel like me I deal with one something skittish there, so if something never skittish there, so why not beat people? Why not lock up people? Why not do all of that? It's like when I bring me back to slavery, Dave, bro. You see me I deal with? We not talk about say, yo, people catch corona and come on to hospital them. You know how much Jamaicans caught corona and never visit one on a blood clot hospital them yet? And we attack the first-hand people who live a yard. First-hand. People who live up in some country place. Some of them country there, Jamaica, don't even have 2 hospitals, much less 1. And the amount of people who catch corona in Jamaica and never visit one on a bomb clot room them. People at Jamaica will catch corona will never visit one on an emergency room them yet. Because they go boil garlic, they go boil this, they go boil that. What are the symptoms of corona? The same symptoms of flu. Many times we call it flu. Many times we get red-eyed without go to hospital. You understand what I deal with? One time I find out, say, me see people out there. I find remedy and I figure hospital, but then every day you hear you come beat people about hospital. Boy, we don't have no bed. Boy, we don't have no that. So warm to the half of Jamaica we never look to one for help yet. I could talk about them Jamaicans there. And you see some of them Jamaicans there underneath the post, yeah? On a talk. How many of the Jamaicans them wanna say got that? You understand me? How much people catch corona and never get help from a doctor? Wally, my wife are one of them people and we live in America, youth. The amount of doctor, the amount of hospital we have in America. You understand what I say? But how many people are right just in America catch corona and never need the help of a fucking doctor? Eh? Them say corona is fucking up them system and them doctors and them nurses. You understand what I deal with? You see me? I swear to God, I want somebody can tell us I'm meet with COVID. I'm a wife. I'm a boy some garlic and honey and I'm going to make sure I cut up some, you see me I deal with honey and lime and them thing there. Then, as me I said to you, you know, it's not a matter I say you catch it and not go, you know. And the mere fact how many people caught it and did not go to one of the help. A lot. There's a lot of people who one time them catch what them catch, them even come to one of the help because them even trust on in the first place. You see me? You see, just because I want to deal with this, I want to bully the people them and go on. Most of the people them not trust on us, so if some of them will catch corona before they come to hospital, they rather turn up at the yard and dead. You see me? Because I want to make something that they feel not trust. Everybody you can talk about say, yeah man, you not trust too easy. You have a lot of people out here who don't trust. From them see a thing I move a little weird, them say, yo, you know me not trust this. Me not trust this. You can't blame somebody for not trust you, you know. Because you are put out trustworthy behavior. Untrustworthy behavior, you are do that. You understand me I deal with? So if at the end of the day, you know, you have some people where even if them catch corona, they would have never looked to you. You see me? They rather stay their yard and dead. Me hear that enough time. Allow people to stay their yard and dead then, no man. You see me? People catch corona and know they lock up in their house. If they're dead, then dead. You see me? So at the end of the day, no, me would have never catch corona and trust Uno as a system. Me rather dead. If I eat, I go take me home. Me rather make you kill me. You see me I deal with? Yeah, man. If me catch corona right now, I would never go to doctor. I would never look to none of you for help. Me rather make it stay in my system and kill me. If me find out me have corona tomorrow morning, I would never tell a doctor. I wouldn't tell nobody. More than me just tell my wife, say, yo, me I lock up in that room there, you know. You see me I deal with? Yeah. That is how much me not trust you know. I rather make corona kill me than make una joke me. You see me? And that are my feelings. You see me? I rather die by corona than for trust you know. You see me? Me right now feel that way there. Because I just feel like there's something wrong. The vaccine almost there almost 1 year and nobody no survive from it. You know that you know. Me rather catch corona and dead. If I eat, Father God say no. Hey, what if you take your home, I go take your home, you know. If a corona, I go carry your home, you know. You go home. If I no eat, I no eat. You see what I say? So at the end of the mommy left me alone, man. Sure. Left me alone, man. If you don't want to hear me life, you come off, man. Sure. And that's why the next thing, when if you love me talk, when I hear a page, I get black, make you black, man. Me say me not take you, I'm looking at your face as my mother and tell her that too. My mother take your vaccine, you know. Me no business with that, bro. That's a mommy thing. You see me? Mommy want to do that, bro. You see me, I did it. So me not gonna make nobody around here so feel like say, me not have people where they in my car now where me know we take them vaccine, bro. But that a mommy. This is me. And me tell my mother upon her face, me say I would have never make them joke me with that. Because me know when me go through with all of them ailments the way them a call. So before no joke me rather dead. You see what I say? Me rather dead. So if I that you need that try prevent, so no no want people for dead, everybody have them bomb buckler choice youth. A phone a decision. You see what I say? A phone a decision that bro. You not come tell me what me have to do, man. Cause me ever die me yard, you know. No boy nor girl can tell me to stay in my fucking yard. Cause me ever there. Me need even come out and go if me have to go check in mailbox. I can do one live phone now. You never see nobody around me. You see me? Yeah. Moment any you tell me something, I give me a block you. Swear. Don't write nothing more under my life. Me have to block you. Serious moment. Yeah. Me have to block you, bro. That me I tell you. Any you write one more sitting moment, me have to block you. Swear. Me don't even want to block you because you're my mother, dog. As I tell you, say, see how me like how me I tell you now, mommy. You feel how you feel. Everybody else feel how them feel. So me I wonder how you alone, mommy, will take the vaccine can talk. And the non-vaxxers can say that. Well, mommy, me I go talk. Them have to go take down my page. Yeah. Them are you too. Me I block your price. Any you see something else doing, dog. You know, see some bitter in the morning. You know. Love me out, man. Mommy serious. Any you write one more sit, me go block you. You and the other person there. So if I'm like you don't allow me. Yeah. So what I say? Just stop it, man. Bumbuckler. What time I have the whole heap of people on the internet a bully and then the whole on the underneath it, but yeah man I'm watch. When move on the bumbuckler, man. When move on the bumbuckler and go. Because when the whole on start fucking dead. And paralyzed and them bumbuckler sitting there. And have cancer and then look sitting there. Some of them not even have cancer in our family and went on go realize say cancer go kill you. And so I had a ailment. You don't tell me how to feel. Don't tell me how to feel, man. You see me I deal with? Because all of this are bully. They will go bully me regardless. So let them do it. Take it down me about 4 page. A 4 page me have. Take that one. I don't care a rascal. You see me? Because you know if you turn up yourself watch all of them they talk, but you can't talk. Oh, you know if you talk. Fuck you talk about. Eh? How about this? This is heights of slavery. This is heights of fucking slavery. This is modern day slavery. Without whips and chain. And the fucking coffee them for we pick. This is the year and age. This year are just, yeah, modern day slavery. Gone. Modern day bumbuckler slavery. Because you can have big, fat, sour, stinking foot kitty. Kitty are big and sour, stink no blood clot. Which part of you educated? You like how educated slut? Eh? Educated skettle germs. Yeah, non-vax. The girl, go rinse out your sour drawers them where you wear. Nasty girl. Because when you look on a big chaka wagga nasty blood clot girl like you can know see you nasty, you know. Nasty and can't blood clot cook with your long fingernail them girl. What you mean? They can send somebody like you. If you come give you a message. Big long time nasty blood clot girl. Go find a man and marry. This is the time I done for you. Nastiness. Hmm? So since you know want bully, me bully back on a bumbuckler, big fat radio host. Hone. That's what I call you. Because I don't know what kind of heights of education that you come say you show. Eh? What kind of education that you did that show? Big fat muppet? Where you did that show? Big oversized barrel. You come in like when I $60 barrel, them sell a Bravo. Dirty girl. You, what you feel like so you can't come? We as the non-vaxxers don't want to talk to you neither. Your drawers and sour mama, you want a blue bomber. Dirty girl. Eh, girl? You can't even boil some pussy clad Cersei man for drink. Dirty girl. But you want to come give a message. Go vaccine your thinking wall where you have under your girl. Go make them jam up underneath your nasty sal. Dirty girl. Fucking cow foot bumbo hole you. Eh? Move your chip and bean pussy hole for you so girl. None of when a blood clot name a restaurant like you can't cook bitch. That's why you know have a man suck with alone can't hold man your throat big and kaba the bumbo clot. Eh? Pussy hole. You want to come follow who you want to follow and come talk out of you like a blood clot cocky bird. Shut your dick suckers, girl. Lock your fucking dick suckers, them. Your mouth big like a bumbo clot heel back. Eh? Like a heel back. Big mouth, girl. A size 11 me wear. When me look for my shoes, them and your mouth, me see. Big kaba dirty, girl. It burn me for fucking fat bitches, youth. When you call him over here with your big long time fuck dirty girl. The last time you get a fuck you in high school and your pussy just new. Nobody know none of your old fuck, your big fat stink fuck. Nobody know none of that. So you feel like say, people don't want your stinking, dirty, fat, nasty fuck. You feel like your word want. Move your fat, thinking bumbo hole from here, so. Move. You fucking frozen like a dog. You smell like a piss pot. Bumbuckler. You have taily breath. Your mouth smell like a taily. Dirty girl. But don't talk to none of that. Move your waist train a bumbuckler for you, so girl. Because if you don't have a waist train, your belly drop out from underneath you like mango off a tree. Dirty girl. What? Fucking bitch. Who you? Who you? How are you? You dirty girl. You big like pear tree to bumbuckler at you come go on. You nasty girl. When you have message again, thinking girl, you need to go give you like a tree. I need to go 200 people where they pay you like a fucker live. You hear that girl? Because you see, if we didn't want diploma and them, they sit in the wall and claim to get up a boss boy every day, so could do that guy school. Your surgery lean a bumbuckler and poil up. You need to go cuss with the doctor will poil you. Because one of your hips say 56 and the other one say 54. Dirty girl. Unscrupulous pussy hole, you. Big fat stink and nasty. Dirty girl. Go give them that to your peers. Me never rate you a long time, dirty girl. And after me, that used to come beg for you, you know, so good. And that's why about me say, you know how much time me come in the time, you know, feel little kitty. Little kitty, I go, big dirty girl. Me a quicksilver, pussy. Me change by your fast, dirty girl. Me tell you, you know. Me a tell you a long time, you know. So you see someone who look a radio host, who really just coming like a piece of shit, dog. Especially this year. All your oversized barrel. Money we expect them to send you with a message. You don't know the majority of we not like you. Who tell us you can't come and link with message? We don't want a message from you, man. Mama, you love Neagle, and Neagle is your best friend. You don't come tell me nothing, because I never want a body and a burst. Me would have never suck out my belly. Me not suck out my body. Me not suck out nowhere. You love suck out so much, so till you just suck out every blood clot way. Eh? You shape like 3/9. Dirty girl. Big fat and wagga and professional, educated whore. I say your name, Jankro. And in proper bumbo clad fraction. Jankro. Eh? Crow bait. Nasty girl. For you look all you know, you can't cook, you can't clean. Your house ever sour. Go wash up a plate them in your kitchen. The time when you get up, boy, you sit down around blood clot, you can't know all in a feel like a studio sour. When you open that the thinking foot there. You see when you open me thinking mouth, lock your thinking foot, dirty girl. Because we don't know which one to smell. Shut your stinking mouth and lock your thinking foot. I know stop drag you, know. I go and drag you for at least a month. Big stinking careless, dirty girl. You feel glad. Say they must sell so much bumbuckler oversized clothes. You feel glad Keisha Kiora having tea. You feel glad for all of them the little blood clot tea they are waist trainer. Yeah? Because you know you don't look good. Eh? You're not education, you're uneducated blood clot memory chip, 2 gig. You want 2 gig dirty girl. Now give with a message so good. We never want a message from your bitch. What do you daddy? I just show my days all in them pussy clot brief. Cussing in my brief. Oh, we cussing in my brief, girl. I trace out your bumbo clot in my brief this morning. You won't even believe that me cusses in my brief. Fucking dirty blood clot fat girl. Yeah. Me so breathe. I don't even wait good. I don't even wait good. I don't wake up as yet. And then, let me tell you, you sleep on my nerves. You sleep on my nerves. Okay. What time I look for you? Girl, you not wake up with nobody a morning time. I saw your body did hang off of you at one point, like shirt. And we beg for you. No matter how much time we see you come out in the media, look like blood clot, me speaking with your big foot. Your nose big by your face. It hurt me, you know, bro. Simple as I see what I go on there and then burn me for that dirty girl, you know. You coming like a slave them. But ready to sell out your Rasta race. Me a maroon. I'll start fucking today. Me, I want to give back. Me certain me I give back my blood clot bird paper. Me want my maroon papers them. Me want my maroon papers them. No. No. Me I go ask Uncle Biden if he can allow me if he just go down there if he just go protest. Swear. More about my maroon card. I put like me want me no ask no now if me want maroon. Me born up in a Rio Grande Valley. You know Nanny Town? Yes, man, I will respond for you maroon them, you know. Don't give me no talk. Right now, me feel it tap bleach. Because guess what go on now? You see? Me, ungrateful maroon, maybe. You understand me? I say? Me never glad for me black Arawak skin till this a big fat oversized Arawak here. Get up, make the master give a message for you. Girl, move your sour mouth. You mouth think like with your nasty self. With your nasty blood clot self. Nobody know how to address you. You feel like I need one bumbo clot. You know what studio if you can address you? No, bitch. You crazy? How we take out my so fucking short and cuss off your ass out there? And don't stop tag this whore. Lava wagwan, bro. Don't stop tag this fucking whore. Ever. You big and stink like somehow, you know, what we used to say, we look at artists, them and people who we rate here, we know. There's a hero when you look inside your heart. You don't have to be afraid of what you are. Bumble. Now what we saw, no? We don't have to say, them sell we out. And what them do it for? I could have chicken or pizza. You know you love your blood clot belly. You know you love your fucking gut. You know how you love your fucking belly. KFC the body. Burger King body. Highland Grill body. You dirty girl. Corner shop body. $200 food. $350 food. $450 food. $2,000 food over 20 centuries. Done. Hey, fucking bitch. You know, I'm so sorry. Because, let me show you. See me? When I wake up, I stir. I saw me stay, you know. I stir up. Who gave you a message for us? Huh? Someone gave you a message for us? Carry it back. And carry it back with a little receipt. Suck your mother, man. How are you? Go and name out your mom. You feel me? Bruv, go and eat your mom out, yeah? Go and eat your mom out. Right now, yeah? Fucking bitch. Eh? The rest, I don't know. When me see God and juke up on myself. What a praise? Oh no, fall at once. Right? Right? Me, one thing me certain in a kitty. You make me talk till my breathe wet. Come and breathe. Good breathe. When me look into life, you know, me see it, kitty. You is the only radio host that want to be seen because you're so cute. And you make your body and not done yet. And now you play those settings that done yet because the doctor want blood clot mole you in, you know. Look like him glasses lean on his face, you know. Because you're shaped like one kite. Bumble. Shaped like one blood clot kite. More put a string around your blood clot and I fly you away. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Bumble clot. Me I go trace you now. Me I go trace you now. Because since we can say, everybody, remember to take the vaccine. The vaccine is essential. With that being said, Kitty go suck out your mother. No. Don't hesitate. Go and go run up in that fat sow there. Like you big fat sow. Boss sue. You somebody need to sue your long time bumbucklad pussy. That they need for fucking sue. For chat too much. When them gonna put one fucking clothespin for your mouth and one padlock, shut it up, man. Only thing you fi use your mouth for do what you do with it at night time. Suck off some wood because nobody know how to fuck you. Big fat nasty bitch. Every man at Jamaica reject you. Boy, you a liar. You need to go lie up a man for your hole. Your hole is the defendant. And one man cocky is the plaintiff. Okay, lawyer, bitch. Here one now, liar whore. The plaintiff do not want the defendant. You need to argue the case. Dirty no bumbuckler. Argue the case, girl. You pussy a lose the fucking case now. To show you what kind of liar you be. You can't even bail your pussy out of one blood clot problem. Bail out your pussy. Go on. The plaintiff say no want it. So you better make your plaintiff want it before you go done. Dirty thinking, bumbuckler, can't cook, can't be dirty. Y'all. Born of education. Okay. Let me do it in education for you. You know what? I want to tell you something, you fat bitch. You see, just because you're inconspicuous to most of us as people without education, you ugly, fat, muppet looking bitch. We want to say one thing to you, your honorable nyam fuck bumblehole. You look a dirty, cocky breath, nasty girl. Your mouth smell like one condom, okay? Your mouth smell like a condom. Your mouth smell like stale fuck, okay, good? Pussy. For reason education take too much. Me rather reason dunce. Cause to me, when me reason dunce is sweeter. Me like dunce reasoning. Because me learn from dunce already, you know. I learn nothing from you educated fuckers. Right? You know how much time dunce people teach me things? Dunce people get up and teach me every fucking day. You see me, I did? Look how me dance. You know how much things people learn from me? Like so getting another man and he well want to be seen. I bear things people learn from me. When you want to learn, you come over for my class. My class, me give you the raw, unfiltered stories, you know? So good. One thing me can tell you about people. Them always go send the fool a little bit further. Remember when we did little, you know? When we catch a common fucking idiot like Kitty. Just like Kitty. Just like Miss Fluffy Thinking Diva. That. Just like this big clank here. You see when they catch a big clank them, watch it pray, you know. Write on the paper. Send the fool a little bit further. Every shop where you go, Kitty, I wrap up this paper. I'm going to say, hey, when you reach, give the shopkeeper this. Right? When you walk here down the... When the shopkeeper read what me write on it, he send your fucking ass a little further, you fucking idiot, you. Fool idiot. He might go send you fucking further, every blood clot shop in a district. You go, you walk till you're tired, you lose weight. Me know you want that. If me start walk a morning time, I'm so brief. Come here try lose 13 pounds. Send the fucking fool. So you are the fool now, you know. Because one thing with people, you know, they rather make the fool take the eat than them take the eat. You know who is the fool in this scenario? You is a fucking idiot. Remember say you will get dragged for the past week now. You know should have locked your fucking latrine, man. Your latrine did not get too much problem. You see, if you did put one cover over your latrine, so much fly would not follow your mouth. You should have did put back the lid over the fucking latrine where you chat out of. You see, if you did put back the lid over the fucking latrine, it's so much fly would not infest it bumbuckler place. Sure. Fucking fly. Lock your mouth. That you have to do. Lock your fucking toilet. And word from the non-vaxxers again. Suck out your mother. No, we never want to be a friend for our first Kitty. Kitty had the pit where we run left in a school. Nobody knows what's on that tree with you. You are the girl where everybody trouble at school and take away your little party. We don't see already. Nobody never want your high school. You have to sit down alone and for your decks and name at daytime. So the fuck you got about to talk to we now? We been not chat here from your school, big fat and sharp. From your school we hate you. Remember say we used to bully at school, I say you used to call it. The cool kids used to bully me. That's why I became a lawyer, because guess what? I gotta learn how to protect myself and others because these people were so mad at me when I was going to school and all I did was my work. dirty blood clot, girl. You forgot what we do with at school? You could talk about you not talk to non-vaxxers. We been not there with you, mama. We been no one see you for them long time. What? All the time for your birthday party at school, you better not get a cake count on me with you. Fucking big and fat. Go and go buy one fucking water. Boy, you buy cake. Eh? Have a blood clot there. What do you say your birthday come over sugar and spice here and blood clot lock? You are left down a radio station go back to sugar and spice about sugar and spice, everything nice. Yeah, big and fat. Big and fat. Belly does over your belly like a pelican. Your belly go like a pussy clad pelican. You just a flash. You go check to the flag where you have for your belly. Dirty in a bumble hole. See? Nobody never put you in your fucking place before. Your place needs to get put in a... I put your rascal in your place and you don't even... Fuck you. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. I'm saying... Dirty girl. See, bitch? You make this a big nose, man. You give a message to come out. First of all, people. Dang. My house cold as fuck. Yo, two of my old school. Two of my old school, bro. You can actually see it from my door. My door is... Yeah, dog. I'm freezing it. My house are like 62 at all times and 59. You see me? Every time you come in my house, you need a sheet. You see me, I deal with? So I have complimentary blankets in my house when you come in through the door. No, I don't really have friends because I'm not friendly. Yeah. Because even to now, love, I don't even know where I live at. Yeah, fucking bloody hell. But when you come in my house, you get a complimentary blanket like from JetBlue. This is the JetBlue household. You get like a blue blanket, and you like a neck roll, drop asleep. Drop asleep. You see what I say? Hey, Kitty. Or you want to come back and find so we can't diss you over here. You want to see it to your face. Me can't see it to your face at this because you can't cuss me. Me? Mama, my belly big enough. But I'm not sucking it out. 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 You know what I'm saying? You wish you could have do that. Roll the blood clot with your big fat sour thinking bumbuckle and fratty self. Mama, you shape like you frat up on the top of the blood clot cockatoo you when you make it thinking more. Yeah. A good little exercises in the morning, you know. But God, kitty could see that? I just look a happy belly when we have here. Same time we get rid of the happy belly, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. This is what I said. I don't want to tell you, yeah, man. Hey, thanks to the exercise, kitty. You have a cough. Oh, the corona. Lock up in your house, pretty. Do you believe in magic? Papa. Love, what are you doing, bro? No, the one, she said, want to know the message, man. She been getting dragged for it for the past couple weeks. Yeah, she get licked, man. Yes, that's what I'm here for. Right? Hold me! Pick up yourself, hold me! When I know the beating teacher, I beat that teacher, they know something I preach. Whoa, Lord God. I'm showing off my body to my neighbors. Hello. See that? These are all natural people. Look at it. Okay? See that? Nothing hanging off. Hello. Look there. My wear this morning, people. Guess what my wear? 193. Dog load 75 gram. Yeah, know your mommy? Mommy? Jesus Christ. Mommy, you can't bring little food. Come give me. Love you too, Sim Simba. Yes, sir. People. Hey, my love, I like a lot. Yeah, no. Me go look for my mother tea, you know. Where you want, mommy, seriously? Me no know when mommy come over here. Mommy can't catch me, man. I run left him, man. Mommy can't catch me. I hear mommy can't catch me now. Last time mommy tried to catch off of me for beat out me. Me I what? 25. Me run. Good run too. Cause mommy couldn't catch me down the stairs. Cause she can't run, you know. But not so fast. You see what I'm saying? Me run left, mommy. Mommy, come over. So mommy, I want to. Relax yourself, Laverne. Relax your blood, cleaser. Hey, man. My house cold, bro. My house big and cold. Alright, my mother. Mr. Mummy last night, I go some on the bombarders. Chocolate tea, my mother. Alright. Mummy, don't wake up and give me no work for this early in the morning. You hear that? And me go boil the Cersei. Wait. People, me have Cersei on my yard. If you don't ever want Cersei, link up. I will ship it to you, okay? Laverne, my mother that, Laverne. Okay. Mommy, want me flower and plant for you? Yes, sir. Man, me have some ackee sawfish, you know. You need some? Alright, hit me. I got a lot. No, for real, deadass. I got so much Cersei. Hold on, people. For real. No cap, bro. I got a whole fence. Oh. See that? Alright. Cersei start frying. Yes, so. Go Cersei. Hey, you fucker, yo. Go Cersei. Me having more Cersei. Because I like it. Me drink Cersei, purge myself. I got a whole fence full. Yes, me tired of fuck. Tired bad. Alright, man. You put on your Cersei business right now. Woman, come here and come tea cup them. Me and I drink something like chocolate tea. Mama come too? You gotta be funny. Hold on. Okay. Well, mommy, you have to go find yourself. So, you can't do this. Okay. Alright. Remember now, kids. You cannot boil the Cersei. You gotta draw it for me. You understand me, yeah? You gotta draw it for me? Yo. We're going left for the dog. Mom, I'm gonna call you.